Raindrops danced on the window, and Mochi sighed. The perfect day for a cozy adventure. Outside might be all puddles. With a flick of her tail, Mochi had an idea. The fluffiest, warmest blanket fort ever.
But as soon as she crawled inside, plop! The fort turned into a fluffy trap.
Her friends heard her tiny meow and came running, rescuing the sleepy little builder.
Soon, the fort was back, brighter and warmer, with snacks and laughter to share.
In warmth, drifted off as raindrops whispered sweet dreams.